Today we're going to clean this ceramic stovetop, and I'm going to show you how to do that without the use of scrapers or knives. And we're going to use this Danish product made by Zinolin. We simply just put a little bit of paste onto the ceramic stovetop, and you just gently rub it in with a paper towel and or microfiber cloth. Zinolin is made in Denmark. It's not widely distributed in the States, but you can get it on themine.com. We have more videos that we invite you to watch for those of you who would like to go more in depth. We go through the lab test comparisons of different products available. We go through a more in-depth analysis of why this product works better. We go through why scrapers and knives are not a good idea to use on your ceramic stovetop. We go through the GHS and the labeling of harmful chemicals and the environmental and responsible production.